Hello, and welcome to View Brisbane Hotel. When you first walk into this room, directly to your left is the bathroom. This bathroom is all tile. Another look at the sink area. Underneath, there's your towels, trash can, hair dryer, extra toilet paper and tissues. There's also two full-length mirrors. There's a closet door there across from the sink. And inside, you'll find a safe. A very good size safe. Ironing board, blanket, two robes, and your luggage holder. Looks like they also offer laundry services here if needed. Going into the shower and toilet area. There's the toilet. Plenty of storage space for towels, used towels. Complimentary shampoo, conditioner, hand and body wash. Looks like tea and amber scented. Of course, your emergency plan on the door. They even have a nice QR code that goes into more detail. And then of course your sign for the door. Moving to the room, there's your thermostat on the wall. A light switch. This bed I would say is probably, I would say full to queen size bed, sufficient for two people. Does have a work desk. Chair, trash can underneath. Couch, sitting area. A very nice large flat screen TV. And it is a smart TV with all your favorite apps that you can stream content with. Regarding the bed, the bed has two nightstands, one on each side, a lamp on each side, outlets on each side. Each nightstand has drawers. I have not opened them yet, but 3 drawers on each side, which are empty. Electrical outlets, as you can see. Light switch for the wall. Here's the phone for the hotel. We did ask for an adapter from the front desk, just being from America. This is an Australian style outlet, obviously, because we're in Australia. so that we could power our devices. This one's obviously for USB. They have that at the front desk for no charge to let their hotel guests use. Coming over to the TV. Taking another look at this mini bar. There are glasses in the back for wine and the other alcohol. And there's a bottle of Cabernet. And down below is more complimentary items. There is a kettle in the room. And coffee cups. There's your items for tea and coffee. Last drawer is empty. Prices are here in Australian prices. And then there's a QR code, which is near the TV, so we'll give you more information. Just another look at the room. We do have a view of a local speedway here. And then downstairs you will see the hotel of the pool. So we do have a very nice view of that. The pool does have a hot tub. There's ample parking here at this hotel. It looks like they did have a garage, and then they have some ample outdoor parking as well. This location is also waterfront. The other window in our room, you can see that there is quite a view here. A very lovely view. There is a gas station close by if you need to run and buy some refreshments. But there is also an eatery close by called, I believe it's called Breakfast Club Hotel, where we had lunch, which was very, very nice. Very, very happy with our stay. The hotel is very clean. I typically don't like getting rooms with carpet, but the room does smell fresh. The bathroom does not have any kind of mold or mildew smell. We're very, very happy with this hotel choice. There is a restaurant here in the hotel also. There's an in-room dining menu in the room. So if that is something that's of interest. There is a room service charge of $5 Australian. So if that's something of interest. The View Brisbane Hotel.